Picture this. It's a spring afternoon in North Texas, and in 20 minutes, hail the size of golf balls turns your roof into a colander. That's not an exaggeration. A single 2003 hailstorm in North Texas caused over $1.13 billion in damage. The same region got hit again in 2012 for more than $900 million. As recently as June 2023, East Texas saw baseball-sized hail rip through entire neighborhoods. For Texas property owners, hail isn't a freak event. It's a recurring bill your insurance company would rather not pay. So when hail tears into your roof, does your homeowner's policy actually cover it? Let's break down what your policy promises and what your insurer might try to argue instead. First question, is hail damage automatically covered? In Texas, yes, but the type of policy you have will include the details about exclusions, depreciation, and limitations for what your insurance will actually pay for and cover. Second question, what if I've been denied coverage altogether? If your insurance company won't cover your property for hail and wind, you can work with a public adjuster or property damage lawyer to review your claim and determine if you're being lowballed on your coverage. Third question, my insurer says the damage is just cosmetic. Is that legitimate? Sometimes, but it's also one of the most common ways insurers shortchange a legitimate hail claim. This is where you see the insurer playbook in action. Delay, deny, or undervalue. They delay sending an adjuster until weeks after the storm. When hail dents are easier to wave off as pre-existing wear, they deny by calling punctured shingles or dented metal cosmetic, even when it compromises your roof's function. And they undervalue by only counting the shingles that are visibly cracked, ignoring the ones around them that took the same impact and will fail next. Fourth question, what should I do the moment I spot hail damage? Document it immediately, photos and video of every affected surface, before anything gets covered or removed. Don't toss damaged materials. Your adjuster needs to see them. Make only the temporary repairs necessary to stop further damage, like tarping a hole, boarding a window, and keep every receipt. And don't be afraid to ask for a second opinion on your claim, so that you understand exactly what your policy defines as covered damage. The Texas Department of Insurance regulates how these claims are supposed to be handled. But regulation doesn't stop an insurer from lowballing you. It just gives you leverage once you know your rights. At StormLex Law Group, Flores, Manuel Pelaez-Prada, and Jake Rogiers fight for property owners across Dallas, San Antonio, Austin, and all of Texas and Oklahoma who got a cosmetic damage denial on a roof that hail actually destroyed. If your hail damage claim was denied, delayed, or undervalued, don't let your insurer's definition of cosmetic be the final word. Call StormLex Law Group today, and let's find out what your roof is actually owed.
StormLex Law Group, because you paid for coverage, not excuses.